Okay, if you are on this video, you already have your paper gridded and you've chosen which reference you want to do from this document that was linked on Canvas. So I'm just gonna quickly remind you what you need to do at this point, and then you'll be doing the rest on your own. So whatever reference you chose, so like let's say I wanted to do this bird, I need to turn my paper to match that. So this bird is vertical. So I need to make sure my paper goes vertical. If I had chosen the frog, for example, that one is horizontal. So I would turn my paper horizontal, and I'd want to make sure my numbers line up. So since 11 is on the top left, I'd want to make sure my 11 is on the top left. So you get the idea. So if I'm doing this bird, I make sure I line it up so A and 1 are in the top corner. And then I'm just gonna use this grid to sketch out the outlines of my bird. Now I'm gonna kind of have to do this in a tricky way so I can fit both the reference and my paper. So I'm just gonna do part of it here. So if I wanna start with like his blue forehead here, I notice in box F, that is kind of like the top corner of this bird. So it's F1, so I go to F1, and I draw that little top corner where it hits on my square here. And I could get in the details now or kind of start with outlines and then work in the details later. So I'm just gonna work my way around. Now I'm in E1, and this one goes really far down, almost towards the corner, then in D1, and now I'm in D2. Now I'm in C3. And you can see how I'm just working my way around, following my reference. That's how you need to draw the outlines of your reference, whatever you choose to do. When you're done with all the outlines, then continue watching the next video below this one. It is just everything you need to know before you start using crayon.